Welcome to Race and Crafts. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make these cute little gift tags. I'm going to sell these next year at my craft fair. We're at the week of Christmas 2020, so these will be for 2021. And there's 4 gift tags in this. I like it. I think it's cute. And so let's go ahead and get started. What I'm using today are these tag bases. I just cut a tag die I have in my stash, and I just went through all my scrap paper and just started cutting tags. I'm also going to use some white backgrounds for my tags just to make them a little sturdier and to give them a nice clean background. I'm also going to be using some die cuts to decorate my tag. They're not die cuts, sorry. They're print cuts from the Silhouette Studio. I purchased commercial licenses when I purchased things for craft fairs. Sometimes it gets a little pricey, but I make it work because it's important that, you know, the designers are being paid when I'm being paid. So I do it that way. I'm also going to use these little treat bags from Dollar Tree. They come in a 40 pack. They are 4 by 6 inches. I'm also going to be using a cardstock inlay that we're going to attach the tags to. And this is 3 15/16 of an inch by 5 inches, because I'm going to fold back my edges to give it a neater finish. But I've had these in my stash of packaging and I wanted to use them. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start with my backs, which have already, this is my third attempt at getting this video done because I keep having issues. So I gotta move that stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to use, oh yeah, I forgot, I'm using my Craft Spot Mistletoe stamp set. I'm not sure if it's still available or not. I'm using Stampin' Up! Night of Navy and Stampin' Up! Pacific Point inks. And then just a basic to and from stamp set. I'm going to grab a different stamp for these guys. I used the Wrapped with Love on the other one. But I like to use 2 different sentiments. Maybe Christmas blessing. Yeah. Ooh, no peeking. I like that one. We'll go with no peeking. I love this little stamp set because they are super compact. So they're perfect for these tags. So I'm going to use Night of Navy. And I'm going to stamp my to and from. And I'm done with that. And then I'm going to stamp No Peeking with Pacific Point. Ooh, I like that. Alright, and I'm going to put that guy away. And I'm going to quick grab my little chamois guy here and clean these stamps off. Oops, my 2 moved. Alright. These are super simple, but they look so cute. Oh, I also have these little reinforcing circles that I'm going to use on the front here. And they came with my die. Oh, one short. Darn. Okay, well. Oh, there's one. Oh, nope, he's got something on him. Okay. Well, I'll have to put the third guy on later. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this guy forward a little bit so I can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm also using some, it's Elmer's Glue All. I use that for things like treat boxes and tags and stuff. Anything that doesn't need to be archival. Okay. And I'm just going to put the little reinforcer on.
I'm not going to guess because I have no idea what you think you're going to have.
And okay, I just think those are super cute. All right. And I'm going to glue the back of my tag on. And we'll put some glue on here. All right.
And there's oatmeal. She brought some from home too.
There we go. And we'll grab the other ones that I had stamped previously. And we'll go ahead and...
Yes, and I do have milk. When you asked for milk today, I told you no because I figured you guys would need cereal at least one day more.
All right.
Your mom brought in a gallon last night, or I did. But I don't know how much he's going to get. Grandpa's going to need for.
Okay, and we'll go ahead and put the back on this guy super quick. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm trying to figure out this whole lighting thing here. But I've redone my craft room, and my desk is in a different place where the light is a little lacking, it appears. So I'm still going to have to mess with it a little bit. All right, so I think I want those guys on that and a cute little snowman on that one. And I'm going to just pop them up with some foam tape. And I just get my foam squares from the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree foam squares. Again, they're not something that I would use for scrapbooking, but for cute little things like tags and treat boxes and Christmas cards, not a problem. All right. And I do use a little more foam tape on tags like this than I would normally, because you are going to write on the back. So I try and make it as easy as possible. All right. And I'm just going to peel my foam tape off here. we go. How cute are these? I love these little gnomes. When the whole gnome trend took off, I wasn't in love with it then, but I kind of love it now. All right, so I'm going to bring in my packaging here. Oop. I guess it would be helpful to have some hangers. Okay, where did I put my scissors? Up here. Got them. I'm going to use some baker's twine. I'm going to use some red and white for the gnomes. And I'm going to use some white and gold for the other ones. Alright, and I'm going to just measure this way. Alright, and I'm just going to slip those through and tie my ends. Alrighty. And there goes the dog. Sorry about that. Alright, I'm going to just snip that guy off.
Come here. Come here.
Alright, let's...
Whose house? They work in their house? Their house isn't ransacked. He cleaned it? That's what you're supposed to say. Oh.
Alright, we'll just...
Well, what's up with,
simple knot.
Oop, Gary missed what? Uh-oh, Dad found it. No. Bud found it. Oh, no, maybe it was Dad. No, yep.
There we go. One more. And then I'm going to use for the rest of them, once I get my hands on some, just some cheap double-sided tape. Because I don't want it to get stuck to the packaging. But I don't have any right now, so for our purposes today, I'm just using my Easy Runner. And I just put like one or two. And then I just stick it down. And I try and make them neat. And then I'm just going to do the same thing over here. Sometimes I kind of stick my finger on it a couple times to kind of reduce the sticky a little bit. And just like that. And we'll bring our bag in. And I'm going to go ahead and put my tags in. All right. because of course I turned the camera on. Now I'm going to have trouble getting the tags in the package. All right. All right. Oops, this one I think didn't quite get cut down right. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold over this end, and I'm going to grab a piece of tape. Oh, come on. And I'm going to tape that flap down. And I'm going to peel this one back. Just like that. And I'm going to grab my little topper guy. And these are, again, from the Silhouette Studio. And then I just designed my tag guy. And what I did was I went ahead and folded and glued the handle already, and then I just put some double-sided score tape in there, and I'm just going to, come on, behave. I'm gonna line it up at the top, push it down, peel back the front, and connect. Looks like I need one more piece down here. There we go. Just like that. And that is our cute little gift tag set. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time.